Happy New Year everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ari and today we are going to discuss about LVR or loan to value ratio. So when you go and purchase a new home or a refinance of an existing home loan, you will hear a term LVR a lot of the time from the lender or from the banker. So in this video I'm going to explain what is LVR, how it is calculated, and why is it better to have a lower LVR. So let's get into this. Okay, so what is LVR? LVR is an acronym and it means loan to value ratio. It is also known as LTV. So LVR signifies a total portion a customer has borrowed against the property value, and the lower it is, the better it is. Now, the bank puts a strong emphasis on LVR because they deemed a lower LVR as less risky to the bank. So, how it is calculated? LVR is calculated simply by dividing the loan amount by the property value and times 100. So for example, if you are purchasing a property, let's say worth around $500,000, and you have a deposit of $100,000, and also you have all the you have the fund to cover all other costs, and if you are getting a home loan of $400,000 from the bank, so your LVR would be, so if we just divide $400,000 by $500,000, which is your the property value, and then times by 100, that will give you a LVR at 80%. So you can play with these numbers and see what your LVR is depending on what is the purchase price that you're looking at. Now, number 3 is why it is better to have a lower LVR. Now, lower LVR will have some benefit. Now, the number 1 is when your LVR is less than 80%, you won't have to pay a lender's mortgage insurance or LMI. So if you don't know what is LMI, LMI is a cost that a customer need to pay at settlement. So it's an insurance basically to protect the bank from if there's anything goes wrong. So the bank normally pass out that fees to the customers and the customer pay at the settlement. So the benefit of having a lower LVR is you save that the cost of LMI from your loan, which is good. It can be around $10,000 to $15,000 depending on your purchase price. Now, the second benefit of having a lower LVR is you might be able to access some better interest rate from the bank, because a bank has got a threshold. Like if you have a say LVR between 60 to 80%, you may be able to get some better rate than someone with an LVR at 80% or above. So and there's another example is obviously when you have a lower LVR, what it means, you have more equity at your house from day one. So if you look to decide say in 2 years time you want to buy an investment property or any other properties, then you could utilize that equity when you decide to purchase your second home or an first investment property. So there's some benefit that comes with a lower LVR. Now, how do you get a lower LVR? Now, obviously, the common sense is you need to come up with, you need to save a bit more towards your deposit so that you can contribute more and have your LVR less than 80%. Or the second option could be you could look to purchase a property at a say like a reduced purchase price or at a lower purchase price, I would say, so to have that lower LVR. So this is about the LVR, but I think there's some common questions that I get from the customers day to day is number 1 is what is the best LVR? Now look, there's no right or wrong answer for that because it is totally depend on your strategy. like if you're a first home buyer, so you want to make sure that you have enough deposit to pay towards that, towards the home. So you could reduce your LVR less than 80 to save LMI. Or if you're an investor, you can, it's up to you and your strategy, how you want to play that out. So there's no right or wrong answer what could be the best LVR. But there's another question that often people ask is what's the maximum LVR? I think that what they normally ask is what's the maximum they can borrow. Now bank can usually borrow like lend you up to 95% at LVR. What it means on the other word, in the other word is like bank wants you to have a 5% equity at your home, which normally comes as a genuine savings for the first home buyers. So yes, the answer is that you could go up to 95%, which is an maximum LVR with the bank. Now there's few other scheme available these days, like a first home loan deposit scheme, or there's a one scheme from the Victoria Home Buyer Fund, especially in Victoria, that allow you to buy a property with a 5% deposit only, and that also saves an LMI. So I'm going to cover these two schemes in my next videos as well, so stay tuned. And yeah, so that's all from today. I just wanted to make a video of, about LVR. I know that if you're looking to buy a house next year, you must have a very good understanding about LVR, how it works, so you can make some informed decision based on your the deposit that you have, or the property value that that you're looking at, or the purchase price that you're looking at. So that's definitely going to help you to fast track your property purchase. So it's a long time, it might take few months, but you just need to work on every single day what you want to do, and it's gonna take some time. So that's all from me, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, I would encourage you to subscribe my channel to get some more tips and tricks of home loan in Australia. And yes, till then, a happy new year once again. And we are in 2022 now, so I wish all your dream come true. Whatever your dream is, just stay focused. And that's all from me today. And you have a good day. I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers. Bye. Thank you.